Guys, welcome to sunny Bermuda. It's been a while. It is the month of July and I thought I'd shoot a quick Bermuda Lawn Calendar video for the month of July. I just came back from a 6-day vacation and the lawn really got away from me. But before I left, I did put down some Governor G, which is a plant growth regulator, to try and slow down the growth. But I put it down like the day before I left and we got hit with 3 inches of rain, and after a whole month of June of drought, the grass just took off. As you can see, it looks starting to look a little stalky, but I'll talk about that at the end of the video, what I plan to do, coming up as far as mechanically in the lawn. But first, I'm just cover a few things that you might want to do in the month of July. First is obviously, first thing you do is put down your monthly dose of biochar, hemachar, Carbon Pro G, Miramichi products are good products. There's a lot of good products you put down to help keep that green look, improve the soil. It'll help by improving the soil. You help keep that green look, because we had almost a whole month, a little over a month of high heat, upper 90s, and no rain at all. And I do not irrigate, so I think it looks pretty good. But yeah, the growth regulators, first thing you want to do. Second, do your monthly application, or if you do spoon feeding it, like every 2 weeks, like I do, put that down. I try and time it with the rain, and also some fungicide. The third thing to do is fungicide. I think I see a little fungus starting to come in up here on the hill. You can see some little spots in there. So I have to make sure I get that down. We're expecting rain in the next couple of days, so hopefully we'll get some rain. And well, that's pretty much it for July. I mean, if you put down some iron on July 1st, try and get that good green pop on July 4th, which I didn't get to do this year very much because of the drought the whole month of June. But it still looked pretty decent. But I did have some bad areas that succumbed to the drought, which got suffered from drought dormancy. And we'll see if we can see it on the screen here. In fact, it's a different color green. Let's see right in here, and I'll explain why it's a little different shade of green in just a second. In fact, you can see if you get up close, you see where it had went dormant, and then there's a lot of brown in it. And what I'm going to do to repair all this, since we did get some rain and the green's starting to bounce back, I'm going to take my turf rake, go over it real good. I'll probably do the whole yard, but really in this area here, where I had the what they call it, local dry spots, probably because there's a lot of red clay up under here. Because I remember I did some top dressing with topsoil before I sodded on this part. But I'm going to use the turf rake on it, and then I'll probably get on my Buckingham and come through and scap it some, because it is looking it's getting real thick. But the turf rake will help that out. You can see the little some little waves in it from my mower. I got the C24 on it, which is a really heavy machine, but it's so thick that you got some waves in it. So we'll take that down, scap it a little bit. That way some new growth will come back and it'll match this new growth from this dead area that has died out. Because I don't like to use the word died, because Bermuda never dies. It goes dormant, top part, all the energy goes down the roots because it's not getting any water or nutrients, or it's cold in the winter, and it just sits in dormancy underneath the soil, waiting for some rain or warmer weather. It likes both of those two, rain and warm weather, and then it'll pop back up just like this whole area here did. It popped up. Let's see, what else we're going to do in July. I'm not going to do any action in this video. This is more informative, what I've done. I did that. Also put down some Duocide, and also sprayed the area around the whole house before I left on vacation with some Bifin. It's liquid spray. I put it in my backpack sprayer and put I think it's shower head, and boy, it worked good, because it really drenched around the entire perimeter of the house. And then the Duocide, it's granular. It went down on the yard. And then, of course, I sprayed my backyard as well. So I'm just using granular on this front here from the Andersons this year. Great products. And as I talk about them, I'll be sure and throw up some links up here in the right corner, because I have videos on like Governor G, and also on the soil amendments. and also probably put some little pictures on the screen here. So guys, it's a real short video for the month of July. Yes, it is heat killer this year. It has been rough, lack of rain, but the forecast showing, you know, some moderate rain throughout this coming week, 50%, 60%. We may get lucky, or we may not. But that's just the name of the game. But enjoy mowing. And guys, we hope you have a great month of July, and also a great day today. And I appreciate you watching, checking out my websites and all kind of cool stuff on BermudaLawnCalendar.com. I hope to revamp it this coming year for 2025. So stay tuned, and you have a great day.